Exposing the mystery in everyday text, how machines find names, people mentioned in text, real or fictional places, locations, cities, and landmarks in writing times, dates and temporal expressions. This is gonna blow your mind. Computers can actually read and pick out the important stuff. Step 1. What is NER? At its core, NER finds and labels things in text, people, individual persons mentioned in text, organizations, companies and institutions, locations, cities, countries and landmarks, dates, calendar dates and events times, timestamps and temporal references, those concrete nuggets you care about. Think Barack Obama, former US President, Google, a major tech company, January 1st, 2022. A specific calendar date. Step 2. How does it work? 3 main ways. Rule-based systems using patterns and dictionaries. Classic machine learning trained on labeled examples. Deep learning that learns context and nuance. RNNs. Recurrent neural networks modeling sequences. LSTMs. Memory networks for longer context. Transformers. Attention models for long-range context. Rule-based is fast to prototype machine learning needs labeled data. Deep learning shines when language gets messy. Step 3. Why it matters, and the headaches. NER powers search, improves retrieval results, info extraction, pulling structured facts from text summaries, better condensing using entities sentiment analysis, entity-level sentiment tracking Q&A, answering questions from extracted facts. But it struggles with ambiguity. Jordan could be Jordan as a person, Jordan as a brand, Jordan as a place, and new or rare names it's never seen still trip it up. Quick toolkit. spaCy for speed, NLTK for teaching and experimenting, Stanford CoreNLP for Java-based reliability. Wrap up. NER turns raw text into structured facts. Super useful, sometimes tricky, absolutely essential for modern NLP. Want a demo next?